In front of me is Honor 400, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now to add any photo, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Tap on all of your photos you wish to add and select Done at the bottom right corner to attach them. If you want to take a photo and add it, you can do that by snapping it right away. And if you can't find your photo, scroll all the way down and hit Folders at the bottom left corner. Then tap on all of your photos you wish to add, hit Add at the bottom right corner, and swipe up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!